Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now with a look at the market action and his Prosper trade of the day. Yep. Before we get to that trade reveal, I want to talk about this market. Everybody's talking whistleblower and impeachment. Does it matter to the trading community, or is this something where you're just watching the stock prices more?
I think what matters right now, front and center prior to earnings season, which is a couple weeks away, is just any talks with China. Actually, the impeachment, the impeachment news that comes out, it may be a one-off. So when news does hit, you may see a pop or a drop in the market. But really, right now, the fundamentals of the market is focusing really on what's going on with China. Again, we have earnings really starting in earnest in the next few weeks. Then we can shift to that.
All right, let's shift over to your trade of the day. Taking a look at that Costco chart, what do you see happening here?
So speaking about earnings, Costco and the other retailers actually wrap up the earnings cycle for the previous quarter. Costco has earnings next week, and there is, from a technical standpoint, Angie, some really good support in this stock around 286 or so. And I personally believe that this is an area 286, 287, somewhere in there. You want to get long this going into the print next week for earnings, and they report after the close on October 3rd. Their subscriber revenue is incredible. The subscription process that they have, the renewal is unbelievable. They're not really being impacted at this point, at least they haven't said so, by tariff talk. And that's a place, it's middle of the road retail, and this thing is just a juggernaut.
But you are managing your risk on this trade.
I absolutely am. So what I'm looking to do here is the market is expecting about a $13 move, which is about a 5% move or so in Costco on earnings. I'm looking to the upside, obviously, which if we get that move to the upside, there's that psychological round number that the market likes. That would put us to about 300 in Costco. The market gravitates towards those psychological numbers. What I'm doing is I'm buying the 292.5, 300 call spread. Okay. $7.50 wide. I'm going to pay about $2 for that. Okay. That's my risk, as you mentioned. I am limiting my risk. So earnings come out, reports bad, goes down, guidance is bad, whatever it is. The most I can lose is $2 per spread on this. However, this thing can widen out to $7.50. I really like the reward to risk on this.
And we really like having you here. Thanks so much, Scott.
Thanks, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.